Today we're checking out the RedRock Heavy Duty Cargo Liner in black for the 2021 and newer Bronco 4-doors. If your Bronco sees muddy boots, wet gear, groceries, tools, or family cargo, this is one of those simple interior upgrades that can save the back of your truck from getting beat up, so it's definitely worth checking out. This liner is all about keeping that cargo area cleaner and easier to live with without damaging the carpet. This is designed for all season, all weather protection, and the raised lip around the edges is gonna help contain spills, mud, melting snow, and dirt before it can end up running off and getting into that back cargo area of your Bronco. Another nice touch is gonna be the topographical map design that's on here, so it really gives you that off-road inspired design. This is going to be a great fit for daily drivers, camping rigs, or even dog haulers, and anybody using the Bronco for outdoor stuff on a regular basis. If you use your Bronco the way that it was meant to be used, that back cargo area can get messy in a hurry. And this is going to save you the headache, and you can just pull it right out, hose it off, and you have a new clean cargo area. This is going to work with the factory floor hooks, and it just hooks in right here, so it feels like it belongs in the truck instead of just being a plastic generic mat that you threw back there. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting durable OEM quality injection molded thermoplastic. This thing is very sturdy and strong, and it's definitely going to last you the long haul. It's a smart material for cargo liner because it's impact resistant, it holds its shape really well, and it's built to deal with everyday abuse without being a hassle to clean up. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the $100 price range. That's a really easy price to justify in my opinion, because it's a vehicle specific liner with a nice topographical design, and it's gonna fit cleaner and feel like a custom factory part instead of just some universal mat that you threw in the back. When it comes to the install on this, it's getting rated the easiest 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have it in the back of your cargo area in 1 minute. Now let's see exactly how that install process goes with a quick video from one of our ExtremeTerrain customers.
Hello fellow Bronco owners. Today we'll be installing the RedRock Heavy Duty Rear Cargo Cover. In the kit are the instructions. The cover is custom made for the Bronco. It fits with the contours of the inside and even allows access to the D-rings. There you have it.
That wraps up our review and install of the RedRock Heavy Duty Cargo Liner in black for the 2021 and newer Bronco 4-doors. And for all things Bronco, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.